Hi from San Francisco. I'm about to have lunch over at the Cliff House there to have a view of the waters, which it's a bit cloudy, but it's going to clear up. And then afterwards we're going to go for a hike. So let's go eat. Cliff House is an iconic San Francisco restaurant located on the cliffs of Ocean Beach. The view and atmosphere inside the restaurant is perfect for mimosas and Bloody Marys. The brunch menu at the bistro features a San Francisco specialty, Dungeness crab, incorporated into the omelets and sandwiches. After brunch, take in the surroundings of Ocean Beach along the Great Highway. And further up north to Land's End and its California Coastal Trail. And don't forget, when in San Francisco, always bring a jacket for when that fog rolls in.